Hello, Kim, and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and I was referred to you by Robert. In this video, I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers, and grow your company. So I will be covering content, citations, and backlinks. Let's start with your homepage. I can see here that you have, well, first of all, the visuals are really nice. They are beautiful. Um, I cannot see the click to call button over here at the top. That's something that you could perhaps think about having there. Um, the visuals are just amazing. All of the pictures and the gallery that you have down here, uh, it really talks by itself about the job that you perform. So really well done there. A couple or few things that you could do. You could have the contact us form at the top, and you could have the click to call button over here. So just make it very easy for anyone to reach out to you. You could have action calls throughout the website. So for example, get your free estimate, get your quote, call us or contact us, and the contact us form. So just make it very easy for people to reach out to you, especially if they are using a mobile phone. Now, everything that you have in here is considered content. So let's have a look at how you're saving the images. For example, you have pool house door profile to gallery. You could actually do a better job by targeting specific buyer intent keywords. And I will explain to you what I mean by this. I'm just looking at another one. So for example, this one, B600. Yeah, you could actually save them all as targeting specific buyer intent keywords because it's through content that Google understands what websites are about. And for example, to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. So the more content you have, then it's going to be easier for Google and for Google bots to understand what your website is about. And you are also going to be able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords. Another thing that I wanted to point out is that you could have the contact us form in the footer, so it will appear everywhere, and it doesn't matter where the person is going in your website, it will always have the contact us form. And I also noticed that locations, you are only listing the locations in one back page, but you could actually have location pages for each of the locations that you serve, because then you could target a specific um, buyer intent keywords for each location. But let's have a look at the amount of content. Right now you have 561 words in your front page. If I have a look at two of your competitors, so Dallas Pergolas, these guys have 1,053, and Dallas Outdoor Kitchens, these guys have a look, they have 802 words. So definitely an opportunity for you there just to increase the amount of content and target a specific buyer intent keywords. So I came here to Google and I type in Dallas Pergolas. The first section is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. The second section is the Google Maps, and this section drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And a citation is to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those in your Google business profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. And the third section, and is where I found your competitors, is the Google Organic Search. And to rank here, you need a website that is correctly built, has the content, is secure, and is responsive. And then you need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. Right now, I am looking at your website, at the back end of your website, and I can see that there are 13 backlinks. That means 13 links in 8 external websites directing traffic to your website. If I have a look at these guys have 819 backlinks in 23 external websites, and Dallas Outdoors, the landing page for pergolas and patios, they have 4 backlinks in 4 external websites. So it's important to pay attention to this backlink profile to make sure that you are actually getting not only more backlinks, but powerful and quality backlinks. And those are the ones that are sitting on websites that are related to the services and to the industry that you operate in, because this is a mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that users are performing. And by having a strong backlink profile, Google is going to start regarding your website as an authority in those particular topics. Now, the other section is the organic keywords. You are being found, or your website is being found for 5 organic keywords, and in this way I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times that keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing for that particular keyword. So I actually search for the buyer intent keywords, and I can see here, for example, Dallas Pergola has a search volume of 100. That is 100 people searching for that term on a monthly basis, and you're appearing in position 73. So you are not driving any traffic. Pergolas Dallas, 40 people searching for that per month. You're in position 76. If I have a look at these guys, they are being found for 31 organic keywords. Dallas Pergolas, they're on the 5th position, and the search volume is 100, so they were able to get an estimate of 30 visits to their websites. Pergolas Dallas 40, they're on the 4th position, so close to 4 visits to their websites. Dallas Pergolas Builders, a volume of 70. So basically what you want to do is that you want to identify those buyer intent keywords with the highest search volume, sprinkle your website content with them, so that Google can find you for those specific keywords. And then by building the backlink profile, you're going to be able to rank at the top, maximizing the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers. And that means that a portion of those potential customers are going to end up in your website. Another percentage is going to reach out to you. And then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into customers. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to increase the traffic to your website, and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.